Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare AI's channel. Meta is here with the Llama 3, which it claims are the most powerful open source big models ever made. In today's video we're going to start with Zuckerberg's introduction to Llama 3, and then dive into all the details of Meta Llama 3 together.
So today, we're open sourcing the first set of our Llama 3 models at 8 billion and 70 billion parameters. And we've also got a lot more releases coming soon that are going to bring multimodality and bigger context windows. We're also still training a larger dense model with more than 400 billion parameters. This first release of the 8 billion is already nearly as powerful as the largest Llama 2 model that we released. And this version of the 70 billion model is already around 82 mmLU with leading reasoning and math benchmarks. The 400 billion parameter model is currently around 85 mmLU, but it's still training. So we expect it to be industry leading on a number of benchmarks.
According to Zuckerberg, Llama 3 is a step up from the Llama 2. Meta has improved the post-training procedures this time, which significantly reduces the false refusal rates, improved alignment, and increased diversity in model responses. Let's take a look at the benchmark results, where Llama 3 8B scores well ahead of Google Gemma 7B and Mistral 7B Instruct in MMLU, GPQA, Human Eval, etc. In order to accurately study model performance under benchmarking, Meta has also developed a new high-quality human assessment dataset. The evaluation set contains 1,800 prompts covering 12 key use cases, advice-seeking, brainstorming, categorization, closed-ended quizzes, and more. To avoid overfitting Llama 3 on this assessment set, Meta even banned their research team from accessing the dataset. The Meta Llama 70B ended in a landslide victory against Claude Sonnet, Mistral Medium, and GPT-3.5. Compared to Llama 2, Llama 3 makes several key improvements. First, Llama 3 uses a tokenizer with a vocabulary of 128K tokens that encodes language much more efficiently, which leads to substantially improved model performance. Second, group query attention is used in both the 8B and 70B models to improve the inference efficiency of the Llama 3. Finally, the model is trained on a sequence of 8,192 tokens, using a mask to ensure that self-attention does not cross document boundaries. From the outset, Meta has invested heavily in pre-training data. Llama 3 uses over 15T tokens collected from publicly available sources, which is 7 times the dataset used in Llama 2, and contains 4 times as much code data. With multilingual real-world applications in mind, more than 5% of the Llama 3 pre-training dataset consists of high-quality non-English data in more than 30 languages. Most surprisingly, the Meta research team also found that previous generations of Llama models were surprisingly good at recognizing high-quality data, so Llama 2 was asked to generate training data for Llama 3 with a supported text quality classifier, truly realizing AI training AI. In addition to the quality of training, Llama 3 has made a qualitative leap in training efficiency. To train the largest Llama 3, Meta combines 3 types of parallelization: data parallelization, model parallelization, and pipeline parallelization. When trained simultaneously on 16K GPUs, each GPU achieves a computational utilization of over 400 teraflops. To maximize GPU uptime, the team developed an advanced new training stack that automatically performs error detection, handling, and maintenance. These improvements resulted in an overall effective training time of more than 95%, and made Llama 3 a full 3x more efficient trainer than its predecessor. As a very confident model for Meta, Llama 3 has also been prioritized for integration into MetaAI, the AI chatbot.
Today, we're upgrading MetaAI with Llama 3. But the bottom line is that we believe that MetaAI is now the most intelligent AI assistant that you can freely use. To make MetaAI even smarter, we've also integrated real-time knowledge from Google and Bing right into the answers.
I think it's going to move from a chatbot-like format to a format where you just ask a question and it gives you an answer, and you can give it more complex tasks and it'll go and do them. MetaAI chief scientist Yann LeCun has teased that more versions will be released in the coming months. Even Musk thinks Llama 3 not bad. Over the past year, the entire AI community has been debating around the open source or closed source route, and even Musk himself has given the world a taste of what's to come by open sourcing Grok 1.0. We can't come up with an answer to this question, or rather, there will never be a definitive answer to this debate. But the upcoming GPT-4 this summer may open up a new dimension to the debate. So do you think big models should be open source? Leave your thoughts in the comments section. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.